In a world where dealers are hostage to a tone that often doesn't serve their urgent or their individual needs. A world without the flexibility to customize messages easily. It's a world that is lost in the past, stuck in a maze of outdated vendor technology and ways of thinking. Thousands of customers alienated or missed altogether. What does this world need? Change. A system designed for the future of automotive and customer communication. Change. A message customized to dealers and their clients. Change. A better message, larger offers, cleaner graphics. Change. Customized compliant looks for OEM, ad group, and dealer. Simple, modern, relevant, effective. That change is Three Birds, and it's coming. Visit our booth at 6141N at NADA.